Stop using basic English. Let's upgrade your speaking. Instead of saying, "I don't understand," say, "I didn't quite catch that." It means you didn't understand clearly. Example: I didn't quite catch that. Could you repeat it? Instead of saying, "Tell me fast," say, "Let's get straight to the point." It means say something directly. Example: Let's get straight to the point in this meeting. Instead of saying, "Wait," say, "Hold on a moment." It means wait for a short time. Example: Hold on a moment, I'll check. Stop using basic English. Let's upgrade your speaking. Instead of saying, "I agree," say, "That makes sense." It means you understand and agree. Example: That makes sense. Let's do it. Instead of saying, "Explain again," say, "Could you clarify that?" It means explain more clearly. Example: Could you clarify that point? Instead of saying, "I'm busy," say, "I'm tied up right now." It means you are busy at the moment. Example: I'm tied up right now. I'll call you later. Instead of saying, "No problem," say, "Not a problem at all." It means it's completely okay. Example: Not a problem at all. I'll help you. Keep practicing these sentences. You will sound more confident in English.